Hi guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how to get input from a user. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So to get input from a user, first you need to know what is the meaning of getting input from a user. Easy. Getting input from a user means getting some information from the user to do a certain task. Let's just say the user want to add two numbers. Okay. Now what do you need from the user to give you? Yes, as you guessed, the two numbers that he needs to add. So you need to ask what is the first number. After he gives the first number, you grabbed it. Then ask for the second number, you grabbed it and print out the actual sum of those two numbers. Seems easy. So in the early video we talked about variables. If you haven't watched it, please watch it. In a way, the way variable works is it stores some information in there like a box. Okay, now as in this case we need to store the information that user gives. So to do that you need to create a variable. In this case, to add two numbers, variable should be named as number1. Okay, now how to ask for the information? Easy. You just say input and two parentheses. After that you need to ask a question from the user. In this case, enter the first number. So enter the first number means a text. So you need to put two double quotes and enter the first number. After that, then to check if this is actually stored in this variable number1, you just print the variable, the actual value of variable. So when we run this, as you can see, it asks for the first number. So let's just say 23. After that, just wait a minute, it bugs. As you can see, it prints out 23. Okay, now it's fine. So let's add two numbers. Then create another variable called number2 and ask for the input or ask for the question. Okay, enter the second number. Okay, now to print out the actual sum of those two numbers, you just say print number1 plus number2. Now hopefully this will work. Okay, now it, as usual, it asks for the first number. Let's just give it 23. Oh, why did it print 23? It's already bugging now. I don't know why. Let's just give the first number 23. Now it's fine. Give the second number 14. Oh man, is it again bugging? No, there's a problem in our code. That, as you can see, this actually didn't add two numbers. This, as in early video, it just attached those two numbers. What? The reason why it's happening is the Python thinks whenever you get input, Python thinks it is a string or text. So if we put a plus sign between two texts, then as you can see, it attaches those two texts. So we don't need to this happen. So as in earlier video, we converted a number into a string. So let's convert a string into a number. To do that, you just say int like this. Okay, now as you can see, what will happen is it will ask for the first number and turn it into an int or integer and store it in number2. Okay, also in number1. Now hopefully this will work. Okay, now it usually asks for the first number. Let's give it the first number. Then it again bugs. Fine, give again. Okay, 14. As you can see, it works. Okay, now if but there's a little bit of a problem here. Then instead of giving a number, the user goes crazy and gives something like this. As you can see, it gives us a value error because a text can't be converted into an integer. Okay, some letters can't be converted into integer. So that's why this gives us an error. To fix that, you're gonna need to learn more about Python. So I think it's time to wrap it up. We're gonna do another video on how to catch errors and not break our program. So I think it's enough for this video. So see you guys in another video. Bye bye.